Okay guys, Train Spotter HD and welcome back to another new video. And today I'm at Dawlish Warren on this Thursday afternoon. I had to think about that one for a minute. Decided to come to Dawlish Warren today to do a little video here. There's going to be no trains running tomorrow or Saturday. Well, there is a little bit of trains on Saturday, but not much. So I definitely won't be making a video tomorrow because no trains. Saturday it'll be quite tricky to make a video with very limited amount of trains, so I probably won't make a video on Saturday either. So my next video after this will probably be Sunday. So that's the reason why I come out today to make a video, just to take advantage of the fact that there's obviously going to be no trains tomorrow or Saturday. So in this video you'll see services from Great Western Railway and Crosscountry. Yeah, what you just saw go out there a minute ago was a Great Western Railway service to Paynton, the 150-207. That's the train I got off to get to Dawlish Warren today, and you just saw go past there a minute ago was the 150-246 going to Exmouth, going through. So, without further ado, well, let's get started, shall we? Okay guys, we're back in the video, and about to come storming through now will be a cross-country service from Edinburgh going to Plymouth. This one is, amazingly, on time. A typical Voyager doing this honour for this service. Two 121 going through at a steady pace there. Not sure why though. Maybe because of that Paynton service just left Dawlish Warren a few minutes ago, perhaps. There we go. Okay guys, back in the video, and about to come through now will be a service from Plymouth to London Paddington. With 800-306. Going through around about a minute late, if you want to be precise. Okay guys, back in the video, and about to come through now will be a late running Great Western Railway service from London Paddington going to Plymouth. 10 car on this one. Nice little tone by the driver there, thank you for that. That is 800-033 and 800-025. Running, I think about a good 39 minutes late, 40 minutes, something like that. Actually left Parenton on time earlier today, but somehow it got held up, well, I think in the Newbury area, I don't know why. That's pretty strange, to say the least. But good to see that the driver is still happy with that tone, despite the train being late. Okay, well, there's a few more trains I want to get on camera. At least I think about another 3 or 4. So, yeah, we'll get those on camera. We will see, the first time we will see the 43008. I haven't seen that HST power car yet. So it's good, that'd be good to see that. Obviously, that's in the intercity livery. So that'll be the first time of me seeing that one. That one is running late, but we will get it on camera. So, we'll be back shortly. Okay guys, so we're back in the video here at Dawlish Warren, and about to come in now is a late running service to Paignton. Let's be a turbo on this one. It's 166206. I did kind of cheat, as always, and had a look. There'll be about 2 more trains to get on camera after this one. So, yeah, hope you enjoyed this this video. This one's running about 5 minutes late. Okay guys, about to go out now, it'll be the service to Paignton. Oh, funny though, all the trains I've seen in this video so far have predominantly been this side where I am. I think we only had the 1 train. No, we did have 2 trains going through on that side. Yeah. Okay guys, well, we're back in a video, and just thought I'd give you an update. We will see 2 more trains at the end of the video. It'll be a stopping service over on that side going to Exmouth, and that should be a turbo, and then we'll end the video with the Crosscountry HST service to Leeds. So yeah, we'll finish the video off with those 2 trains. So yeah, I'm going to keep the camera rolling because we should have that service to Exmouth should come in now, as it is on time at the moment. It won't be on time once it leaves here. It'll be a little bit late due to the obviously the cross-country HST behind it. So yeah, like I said guys, after today my next video will be Sunday, all being well. I know that there's some good weather coming up next week, so I could be out and about next week making more videos locally, and I will try and get to different stations if I can. So stay tuned for that. And indeed, coming in now is that service to Exmouth. So this will wait here for a brief minute or two because the cross-country HST will pass this. And once the HST passes this, I will record this extra service going out, and then we'll end the video. Here is 166 at 211. I was on that train. When was I on that train? I think it was yesterday for a brief second. Actually, yeah, no, I was on that train. Yeah, I just remember I was on that train to Exmouth yesterday. So, yeah. Okay, guys, we'll be back shortly. Okay, guys, well, we do have that turbo going out. I didn't expect that. I thought it might have waited at the station, but it looks like it will just go up the line, because that HST will go past in a minute. Don't know why it just couldn't wait in the station, just in case, you know, any more passengers, you know, could have got on the train. So yeah, there she is coming through now. Okay, 007 at the front and 008 at the back. There she is, past the turbo there it did. Quite swish. Okay guys, as that lovely cross-country HST goes through, I will leave it here at Dawlish Warren on this, it was a sunny afternoon at Dawlish Warren, but it's just got overcast a bit. Nonetheless, guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Nice little selection of trains, from turbos to IETs to a Voyager to that cross-country HST as well, and to 150s at the start as well. So yeah, a nice little selection of trains. Normally a freight train runs on a Thursday afternoon, but today for some reason it's not. So yeah, hence why I'm ending the video now. Normally I would have made a bit of much more of a longer video if the freight train did run, but today the freight train is not running, so yeah. So like I said, guys, my next video won't be until Sunday, and it will be local, so stay tuned for that. Thanks for the support as always, and if you did like what you saw in this video, leave a big fat like, and any feedback will be greatly appreciated. So until next time, from me here at Dawlish Warren, I shall see you all soon, guys. Take care.